In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Scrum points in Jira, a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and explore how to effectively estimate tasks using Jira, which is an essential part of Agile project management. Adding Scrum points helps your team understand the effort required for each task at a glance, and it's invaluable for planning sprints. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Jira website. If you have a direct link to your Jira platform, even better, navigate there swiftly. Once you're there, you'll find the option to sign in using your Google account, which simplifies the login process if you've already got your account linked. If not, consider adding this for a more seamless login experience next time. After logging in, it's time to access your Scrum board. You'll find the board houses all your sprint tasks in one convenient location. Make sure you locate and click on the specific board you are managing or working with. From there, you'll want to switch to the All Work view located in the top banner. This setting provides a comprehensive overview of everything that's currently on your plate, allowing you to select the task you need to evaluate. Now, let's click on the specific issue or task you wish to estimate. This brings up the task details, where you can make necessary edits. Scroll down through the details until you find the More Fields section. You'll find this towards the bottom right of the screen. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this section, as it contains various fields that you may frequently need to update as part of your project management duties. In that section, locate the story point field. This is where we'll be adding the Scrum points. Estimate the effort or complexity of the task at hand and enter the number of points you believe it requires. Remember, story points are generally relative and can vary between teams, so use your team's established baseline to determine the value. Once you've entered the appropriate number of points, don't forget the final step. Click on the check mark next to the field to save your input. This action commits your estimation to the task, allowing your team to see the updated figure right away. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to add Scrum points in Jira. Make sure to repeat this process for any new tasks that require estimation, and with consistent use, you'll help maintain an efficient planning and execution framework for your team. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you in the next video.